Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem a gift card on DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video right there. For the matter, what you would do is you will simply go ahead, open up your DoorDash app first. And once your DoorDash app is open right over there, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and make sure that you're logged in with your correct account, and then tap on this profile icon given below right corner. Now you will scroll down till you find this option called gift cards, and below video settings over here. Once you have done this, you have this another interface opening up in your app. Is either you can also buy a gift card if you would like to, or you also have this option of redeeming option, which includes enter gift card pin, which you will get within the card of yours that you have got or either you have bought for yourself. Then you simply gonna enter the correct pin number that you get within, and once you have entered the correct pin number, this redeem gift card option will light up and you will tap on it and you will be able to redeem your gift card according to your liking. So yes guys, this is basically it. Coming over here, going to the gift card section, entering your code is the key option. Make sure you remember your pin correctly. If you have your gift card within you, you can do check it. If you do not, make sure you remember correctly and you have noted it down somewhere. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.